Tell me why I love Mondays. Tell me why I love Mondays. Okay, if you really want to know why I love Mondays, it's a beginning of a new week. It means it's a chance to be better than last week. It means I can leave everything behind that happened last week and start fresh. I can do that every day, even every hour. But a week means I've got a whole week ahead of me. I've got, the same amount of time as that's just passed. I've got in front of me to make the difference. You know what I mean? How could I not love Mondays? How could I not love a fresh start? How could I not? And you know what? Because I had a rest yesterday, did a jigsaw puzzle, put some pieces together. I've got even more energy to start the week. You know what I mean? So I can feature as the main star all week long, as my main character. And that is why I love Mondays. Tell me why I love Mondays. Tell me why I love Mondays. Tell me why.